you can only get so far in comedy with laughter.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah,
That's so true.
It's not
That's
the
so
be
true.
all and end all of comedy by any means.
Nope, 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 nope.
No, I think so. Like laughter, if anything, could be detrimental to.
Well,
My,
I
like,
think
career.
I think I can say that. Speak for both of us, kind. I think we've found it detrimental, haven't we? Just too much. The sort of mindless laughing of a rabble,
Free for all,
joke
isn't it?
after
It's
it. Awful.
terrible.
Sort of vacuous guffaw.
Yes,
Yeah.
perfect. All right, so let's have that again.
What does vacuous mean?
I'm not quite sure.